What's up everybody, welcome back. Thank you so much for sharing your time with me. In this video, we're going to go over some accessories that I encountered during CES 2020 by PGYTECH. Let's go. Alright, before we continue, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and let's get to it. I had the opportunity to attend CES 2020 in Las Vegas, and I got hands-on with PGYTECH brand new accessories. And the reason why I'm sharing these accessories by PGYTECH is because they have actually been very useful for my filmmaking day to day, whether I'm filming on a smartphone or on my Canon EOS R, with a gimbal or with a tripod. I know for a fact that these accessories are going to change the way you film, or at least enhance and improve the efficiency of your rig. Now, the first accessory that I got the opportunity to go hands-on and I currently own is the PGYTECH suction cup. The PGYTECH suction cup will set you back about $40. I have used suction cups in the past for my GoPros or DJI Osmo Action, different kinds of accessories for you to be able to mount and position the camera in completely different isolated places like walls, glasses, ceilings, and things like that. And not to forget about vehicle placement. Some of these suction cups can be attached to cars and things like that for you to be able to get a different perspective, a different angle. So when I saw this suction cup in the show floor, oh, okay, cool, PGYTECH's coming up with a suction cup, but this is the suction cup in my opinion. It was crazy because during CES, one of the reps actually attached it to the desk that it was on, and he pulled so hard that the whole thing started rattling. So this thing has a fantastic grip. Oh wow. Let me try. Can I try it? Whoa. Bro, that's super strong, dude. It's so freaking weird.
If glass will be better.
Oh, glass. Yeah, that's right, because this is wood. This is like plywood. Yeah. I went ahead and I tried it out on my car with the Osmo Action. I wasn't going too fast. And the cool thing about this suction cup is that the arm can facilitate the placement of not only action cameras, but also cell phones and different accessories like smartphones, lights, microphones, you name it. The mechanism is really interesting because it's a double ball structure and the body of the arm is actually made out of aluminum. So it's really sturdy. And I felt very confident placing different accessories without thinking about them potentially falling. So it's really cool. It's very sturdy, very grippy as well. And because of its design, you can pretty much flex it and position in whichever way you see fit.
All
right.
The watermelon lime.
All right.
And you got your other one, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're all
Thank
set.
you so much.
Thanks for being patient.
So I had to stop to get some essentials. My good friend Ryan Teagues introduced me to Brewery X in Anaheim, California. For my birthday. He actually stopped by and he kind of pulled up and gave me a growler for my birthday. We definitely practiced social distancing. He was in his car and I was outside, and you know, he was very careful too. He had a bunch of like cleaning supplies, but yeah, he kind of got me hooked on this brewery. So I placed an order and I'm coming to pick it up, among other things. I promise I'm doing other things other than just buying beer. But I'm actually enjoying this dynamic of being able to film without using my hands. Sometimes I actually grab those shots when I'm driving to LA, for example, and you have the skyline in the background and I want to capture, like, you know, me driving there. This is actually a lot safer and I feel it's more steady. So it's a fantastic option and it's very strong. It's, you know, the sun is actually going pretty hard right now. The temperature right now in Southern California, it's about 78 degrees. But with the sun straight into the windshield, I'm pretty sure it's a little warmer. And it's staying there, so I'm actually very impressed. It's not rattling and moving along. It's very sturdy, very solid. I'm impressed. able to use it inside my car, outside my car, and I even recorded a little DIY cooking by simply attaching this to my cabinets and putting my DJI Osmo Action facing down, which could be a really useful tool for top-down angles for unboxing, cooking shows, or similar style shots. The whole thing is very portable. It folds, it fits in a pocket if you really need to, or a small bag. It includes a standard 1/4-inch adapter for many cameras, microphones, and different accessories, as well as an action camera mount that can be easily swapped out. The second accessory that I wanted to showcase is the universal phone holder. And we have seen many of these in the industry, but what I personally really like about the PGYTECH universal phone adapter is the build quality. It doesn't feel cheap, it feels really, really solid, and you can actually combine the universal phone mount with the suction cup. The universal phone holder will set you back about $20. It also has a 1/4-inch mount in one end, so you can not only use it with the suction cup, but also with a tripod or any other mounts. It also includes a cold shoe mount at the top, which you can expand a vlogging rig, for example, and add a microphone on top or even a light. I was actually using it not only to film inside my vehicle, but also as a GPS. I pretty much attached it to my window and I was able to use this combo as a GPS stand solution. So I had my maps, I had a really nice stand for it. Because my car doesn't really have a GPS on the main console, so that was a really cool alternative solution. I filmed everything that I needed to film and say, hey, let's actually use it for something other than filmmaking, which is really nice. This is also a fantastic solution for those of you filming with the DJI Osmo Pocket and you want a quick, simple, but powerful solution for you to be able to hold not only your phone, but the DJI Osmo Pocket as well, and expand on that if you want to add a microphone, a light, and a tripod. The universal phone holder is definitely a must-have. And the third and final piece is the PGYTECH Magic Arm. And the Magic Arm will set you back $40 as well. And this is one of my favorite ones. They're all fantastic, but this one is really, really versatile because it is like the arm on the suction cup. But the Magic Arm can be attached to a ton of different products. I'm currently using the arm in order to attach a small light as a fill light on my monitor rig. So it allows you to create a custom setup, whether you're filming on a tripod or a gimbal. You can use this as an arm for the monitor. You can use this as an arm for a light, for a mic, or for multiple filming situations. Maybe you're trying to film on your SLR and you want to attach your phone on top of it for different gimbals that do have tracking capabilities using the smartphone. This arm is definitely going to give you that flexibility, as well as other accessories. It has the same double bowl adjustable design as the suction cup arm with that single aluminum knot adjustment in the back. It just pretty much opens and closes the whole thing, and it allows you to flex the top and bottom to your needs. It is compact and lightweight, and it also includes a cold shoe mount if you want to attach the Magic Arm directly into your camera's hot shoe. Long story short, for these past couple of weeks, I've been able to get creative with these accessories, not only use them in my car, but also creating this setup that I'm using right now with my Canon EOS R, my Andycine monitor, and then of course the Magic Arm for a couple of different applications like lights, microphones, and of course my monitor. If you're interested in checking these out, the links for all three items are down in the description, but I want to know what you think. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. If you have any questions or suggestions, drop them down there so we can continue to create relevant content for you. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe, and as always, thank you so much for sharing your time with me. I'll catch you on the next one.